If GOG Galaxy is giving you an install error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get it installed properly. This is a simple troubleshooting guide that can help whether the installer is failing to start, getting blocked partway through, or refusing to finish the setup. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and gaming tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is run the installer as administrator. Find the GOG Galaxy setup.exe file, or if you already have the shortcut on your desktop, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to write files, create folders, and make changes to your system without being blocked by Windows. If you do not have full permissions, the installer can fail for no obvious reason, so this is always the best first step. If a security prompt appears, click Yes and let it continue. Next, if the installer still will not work, temporarily disable your antivirus or Windows Defender. Security software often blocks game launchers and setup files because they extract a lot of temporary data during installation. That can cause the process to freeze, stop early, or show an error message. Turn off real-time protection just long enough to complete the installation, and then turn it back on right after. If you want, you can also whitelist GalaxyClient.Exe afterwards so it won't get blocked again in the future. Just make sure you only do this if you downloaded GOG Galaxy from the official source. The third thing to check is your available disk space. GOG Galaxy often needs a lot more free space than the actual file size you see at first. In some cases, it needs nearly double the game size because it has to unpack temporary installation files on your system drive. So if your C drive is almost full, the installer may fail even if it looks like you have enough room for the game itself. Open File Explorer, check your system drive, and clear out anything unnecessary if needed. If possible, make sure you have plenty of free space before trying the install again. After you've completed those steps, try launching the installer one more time as administrator with your antivirus still temporarily off and see if the error is gone. In many cases, one of these fixes is all you need to get GOG Galaxy installed successfully. If the problem continues, it may also help to restart your PC and run the installer again after a clean boot. That can clear out background conflicts and give the setup a fresh start. And that's it. Those are the main fixes to try when you get a GOG Galaxy install error. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.